Let's have a quick price prediction for Ethereum for 2026 with unbiased chart analysis. Without wasting time, let's go. This is the weekly chart of Ethereum. I think a really important zone for us would be this zone here, that our low got engulfed and then we had a base. So it's important for us in price action. And we even saw a good support from here in the last few weeks. So in 2026, this zone is going to be crucial for us. And the price would be from $2,600 to $2,800. So if we lose this, then I think it's going to be a bear scenario. But if we keep support from here, we can go and we might even look for a new all-time high, but it's unlikely given the whole chart and also the sentimental of the crypto. Ethereum in total didn't do well. Imagine Bitcoin reached to 126k. Ethereum didn't even reach 5,000, which if you go to and watch the chart, Ethereum over Bitcoin chart, is really disappointing. So if we lose this, our next important zone would be around $2,000. And I think if we lose this this area, the $2,000 would be available, and we have to see how it will react to that. And again, if we lose this one, again, we're gonna keep going down, and it's likely with this chart given, I think it's very likely that we could go much lower unless there is a good rally for Bitcoin, unless there is some scenarios happening in 2026, such as Bitcoin becoming a store of value asset in 2026 because of major global conflicts like World War III or something. Bitcoin basically becomes like a gold as a store of value. That would help altcoin as well, not necessarily, but it could be help. I mean, it's better than Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is 150k, it's of course going to help Ethereum not to crash lower. Again, 2025 was a massacre for Ethereum. Although Ethereum had this upward momentum and rally, but it got crashed right after. I think it's my personal opinion that this move was just the industry trying to keep the Ethereum relevant, because if it didn't happen, this move, and Ethereum didn't have a major rally in 2025, then probably would never ever have it again, because Bitcoin was doing crazy numbers. It reached 226k, but Ethereum was just it was at its 2021 levels, so that was really not good for the altcoin industry, if I dare to say. So I think this move here was just caused by the smart money to just keep the Ethereum relevant, and as you can see, it was just couldn't keep up and got crashed immediately right after just reaching to the previous all-time high. So I think unfortunately, if you're a holder of Ethereum, I think it's going to keep happening for 2026 unless we see a good support from here. And then I think I would say maybe 35% it's possible that this scenario happen, and then 65% this scenario happen. But if we keep a support from here and somehow a Bitcoin goes for a new all-time high, 150k or something in a like bull scenario, and the most extreme scenario, it might reach 200k, then we might for Ethereum reach to $5,000. It's possible, I'm not denying that. So that's in the case of 2026 would be a good year for Bitcoin, again, as like similar to 2025. If Bitcoin keep crashing, like we lose 80k and we go to 70k and we go to 60k, then imagine this $2,000 scenario for Ethereum would be so possible. To be precise, the $2,000 to $2,200 zone, and that's the next good demand zone. And again, if we lose that, we're gonna go even lower. But I'm not denying the bull scenario, it still might happen. And for bull scenario, our targets would be first $4,000, and after reclaiming $4,000, then we can attack to $5,000. But let me know in the comments what do you think is possible, and thank you for watching. Also check out my 2026 Bitcoin price prediction, and see you in the next video.